Hello, Denton ISD family. I'm Dr. Susannah O'Bara, Superintendent of Schools. As we wrap up February, I want to share a recap from last night's board meeting. From student and staff recognitions to thoughtful planning discussions, this meeting reflected our ongoing commitment to supporting excellence across Denton ISD. We opened the meeting with the Pledges of Allegiance led by a group of outstanding students from McNair Elementary. These young leaders represented their campus with pride, reminding us why we do this work and inspiring us every single day. One of the highlights of the evening was recognizing the remarkable talent in our fine arts programs. We honored students from all 4 of our high schools who earned all-state recognition through the Texas Music Educators Association. These students advanced through multiple rounds of rigorous auditions, competing against the best musicians across the state. Their dedication and artistry makes us exceptionally proud. We also had the privilege of welcoming our newest resident teachers who recently signed contracts to join the Denton ISD family. Our teacher residency program offers a unique pathway to education where aspiring teachers earn their certification while working directly in our classrooms alongside skilled mentor teachers. Through partnerships with Texas Women's University and the University of North Texas, these residents are gaining real-world experience, building deep connections with students, and preparing to become outstanding classroom teachers. This immersive, paid program reflects our commitment to building an exceptional workplace environment and ensuring a bright future for our district. The board's workshop session focused on several key areas that shape our district's direction. Trustees reviewed an important update on our teacher and principal residency grant, which allows the district to expand pathways for developing the next generation of educators and school leaders. This grant funding strengthens our ability to grow talent from within and support aspiring educators throughout their professional journey. The board discussed the Teacher Incentive Allotment, a strategic tool for recognizing teaching excellence and strengthening our workplace environment for talented educators. By compensating highly effective teachers, we're able to both honor great teaching and attract outstanding professionals to Denton ISD, providing our students with the very best educational experience. Trustees examined updated campus-targeted improvement plans which outline strategies to help every campus accelerate student growth and strengthen instructional quality where it's needed most. These plans are tailored to each campus's unique needs and provide clear action steps for continuous improvement. And finally, the board reviewed findings from the recent Prop A survey that was sent to all staff members in the district. The feedback we received will inform important conversations in the months ahead. And I'm pleased to share that we're in a position to take immediate action. Our teachers will receive a one-time payment of $750 and staff members will receive a 1% increase on the midpoint of their current pay grade. This is a permanent adjustment to their salary, and any future raises will be in addition to this new amount. As we continue our budget work in the coming months, staff compensation will remain an integral part of the conversation. We anticipate bringing a compensation increase recommendation to the board later this semester that would impact teacher and staff pay for the 2026-27 school year. This focus on retaining and recruiting the very best educators would not be possible without the support of our community and the passage of Prop A. If you would like to review presentations or materials from this month's board meeting, they are available on the Board of Trustees webpage on the district website. Our next regular board meeting will take place on March 24th, and we look forward to sharing another recap with you then. Thank you for being an important part of the Denton ISD community and for your continued support of our students and schools. We'll continue sharing these updates so you will always know what's happening and how we're moving forward together in Denton ISD.